Welcome. This video is part 2 of cluster-to-cluster storage replica within the same region in Azure. In this part, we will configure storage replica to replicate data from one cluster to another. From part 1, we have clusters in Azure which are ready for storage replica. Let's get started. Let's grant SR access from node AZ to AZ1 to cluster SRAZ C2 and grant SR access from node AZ to AZ3 to cluster SRAZ C1. Now let's create partnership. My source cluster is SRAZ C1 and destination is SRAZ C2. This takes couple of minutes. Once this is done, let's do get SR group. The replication status is waiting for destination. Let's wait for couple of minutes and retry. Now we see replication status as initial block copy. Let's quickly test. I will create some test load in my source cluster. Now let's check if this is getting copied in my destination cluster. Awesome, it's working. We have successfully set up cluster-to-cluster storage replica within the same region in Azure. For more information and commandlets used in this video, go to this URL. Thanks for watching.